The mental part of diving, it's really most of the work. It's pretty much when you're trying a new dive, it's this odd fear of, I don't know what I'm doing. I've never felt this before. And I honestly get through it by kind of visualizing and trusting my skill and what I've learned, to trust myself, to know how to get through the dive and get to the water. I usually go into state seated much lower than I was. I was seated first and was kind of worried about the pressure, but I really just focused on having fun and relaxing, kind of enjoying my last high school meet, and everything turned out well. I knew at both of the cuts that I was in first. My coach, was reading the board, so I was just kind of pushing to keep that lead. I kind of settled into the zone. So I knew pretty much going into my last dive that I was going to take it. I did gymnastics for pretty much my entire childhood. Coming out of 8th grade, I kind of thought I didn't want to do gymnastics anymore. It was time to move on. And I knew quite a few gymnasts who had switched to diving once they quit. So I just kind of tried it out that summer and made the switch once school started. Freshman year I was brand new. I was really just a gymnast who wanted to try diving. And then going into sophomore year states, I really didn't expect anything. My goal was top 10. And coming out of that, I got 3rd. I had never expected that to happen, and that kind of set the wheel rolling. It's very interesting because a lot of gymnastics and diving are the same, where you have the air awareness and you know how to flip and twist and kind of manipulate your body to what a coach is telling you to do. But the technique is very different. Gymnastics is very quick and aggressive, and with diving, it's still aggressive, but it's in a different way. The board work is very slow. It definitely taught me how to work hard and persevere, and also, honestly, time management. When I came to high school, especially in this rigorous program, I knew how to manage my time, and I also knew how to push through diving when it was very difficult. We always said that academics comes before anything. The IB program it's basically college level courses. I get a lot of homework every night, but somehow I've managed, or I've learned how to use every moment that I have to be productive. And I'm always working, I'm always focused on how much I can get done before I have other things to do. So I'm committed to dive next year at Georgia Tech, which I'm super excited about. The program is awesome and the school is amazing. My potential there is going to be tremendous. I'm hoping to study biomedical engineering. I'm a big math and science person, so I started looking into different areas of engineering and found biomedical engineering and was pretty intrigued. I think that IB has taught me how to, again, prioritize my time and persevere. So I think college courses won't be easy, but I think that my experiences in IB will lead me to be able to push through that and learn and know that I can get through it. Pinellas County Schools has always been very supportive and encouraging. My teachers and even other administrators stopped me in the hall. How is this meet? What's next? How are you doing? Which has always kind of made me feel like there's someone in my corner and made it feel like there's someone always supporting me, always there for me, and always encouraging me.